I'm Jack Lordi Adriano II, 25 years old, and I've been a barista for almost 1 year and 9 months now. I've worked in various coffee shops such as the Coffee Library and the Boss Coffee. I have a national certification in barista, which I've got last week. I already have a valid passport and a Siemens book. I believe that I have the necessary skills to fill in the position as a barista at your firm. As a barista, I always ensure a or to prepare a espresso, to texture the milk, prepare and serve coffee and beverages, perform basic cashiering general control procedures, perform basic maintenance on the tools and equipment that are used. Then I have this strength of adaptability. I always adapt to changes. I am trustworthy. I am a good communicator and a good or great team player. And I may not have any experience on board or overseas, but I believe that these skills will surely enlighten you to be part of your team. Thank you and mabuhay.